talk about technology here at Codemotion 2017 with us, Stève Sfartz from Cisco. Welcome, Steve.
Hi, developers.
Hi, developers. Yes, definitely developers is the focus of your participation here. What is DevNet? You came here and you talk about DevNet. What is DevNet? Explain to us.
Then DevNet is Cisco's developer program. We explain and we teach, we help developers worldwide understand how to use Cisco APIs. Cisco APIs, we've got several APIs to do IoT, APIs to do collaboration, video, APIs to connect and program networking. Then there's a lot of resources. We provide developer resources, meaning tutorials, community forums, and also virtual environments where you can experiment and test Cisco technologies.
Which is the most interesting and most thrilling technologies for developers at Cisco right now? Second, your opinion.
Yeah, at the moment I think we are very much about the industry 4.0 and how to enhance collaboration between people. Then for industry it will be how to connect things together, how do you mix infrastructure and code. This is really a hot topic, and it's really interesting, I think, in terms of for developers today, because they can mix hardware skills with programming skills all together, and it creates unique and a differentiator for them. Because before that, we had a lot of hardware programmers and networking programmers and then software. But now we are in a melt world where you need to have all those skills together to be like, instead of the full stack web developer, you would be a full stack new generation apps developer, meaning you master all those domains, hardware, networking and software, and you do programming all there together. And this is the first area. The second one is collaboration. How to bring video to your applications, how to do chat ops, how to have good quality, but inside your application, not using third-party tools. That's the second area we spend a lot of time, and we've got good traction.
Here at Codemotion, you brought a code contest and a code lab and a chatbot contest. So much things to make people, to make developers get in touch with Cisco technologies. What is the most exciting in your opinion?
Yeah, then we spent a lot of time preparing for this Codemotion. We are some kind of we like very much these events you organize. I think here at Codemotion we managed to connect very well with developers. There's a lot of high skill enterprise and students, both audiences. What we brought for this edition is a chatbot that lets you experience a bot, a well-designed bot with a good user experience. We welcome the users, we propose them a quiz, they can answer questions, they get their score. And all this was lets you win prizes, of course, but we also shared the code to build that. And we also shared labs where you can learn to build your own with very basic steps. You start from zero to building your first chatbot in 15 minutes. And thanks to you, you helped a lot, but we could bring those labs. We had 4 proctors, and I think we had about something like 150 participants to those labs, meaning people spending time on our technology, learning to build their own chatbots. And we were also featuring voice machines with Cisco Tropo technologies, then chatbots with Cisco Spark messengers, and voice machines with Tropo. But all the concepts we explained were about JavaScript, Node.js, standard REST APIs, and this is what we are at Cisco Developer Program, explaining APIs, how you connect with them to a whole bunch of developers, whether you are doing JavaScript, Python, Go, whatever is your language. You can find resources at DevNet, Cisco Developer Program, and it's developer.cisco.com, and you're welcome to come and register.
what has been the feedback that you received from our developers in the Code Lab, in the contest? What did you learn from the interaction with our developers?
Yeah. Then what I learned is that those guys, they really engage very quickly. They come in the lab, they want to ask a few questions, they know what they want, then they come and say, oh, I would like to build a chatbot, and then we just point them. But then they would stick on the machine, maybe for an hour or two, because they want to learn more and even more and even more. Then we didn't come with one lab, we came with 7 labs, so that they could find some other pieces. And also the fact that we could build proctors, I think it helped us engage the conversation. Because they had a lot of questions. You start learning, you do basic steps, and then you say, hey, how can I apply it to my business, to my industry business, to my a lot of use cases. And I think some engineers here helped us engage the discussion with them straight away. Then I think it was a good benefit. For Cisco, it was a great way to engage. And for the student participants, I think they got good time. We'll see the ratings, but we had a lot of fun anyway, and I met a lot of people I didn't know, and we had great discussions.
Sounds really thrilling. Thank you very much for your participation, Steve. Thank you to Cisco, of course, to have been here with us.
Okay, thank you guys. See you soon.